Q032-3. And that 3 is yesterday's date, the date that it begins. We're at Oaks Avenue here. Just waiting on this train. It's an intermodal. It's a beautiful day, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Pretty clouds. It's a nice day. I think we're a little over 300 axles. Forget what the detector said. 304, 324, something like that. Florida East Coast. So these are trailers on spline cars, or containers on spline cars. There's some UPS from my buddy Grayson.
Yeah, it's ringing now. He's not answering there.
So it's a pretty decent sized train. It's not huge. It's not like the 700 axle trains we see sometimes. And they're around 10,000, 11,000 feet. So this is a little bit, you know, here's the end. Probably not even a mile train. But it's a good train. So you caught, we caught it together. Q032, which is an eastbound, and it was Q032-03. And the last numbers for CSX designate the date of origin of that train. I'm sitting on the Amtrak Northeast Corridor right now, just chilling out. So 032 again would be origin is Jacksonville, Florida, Duval Yard, and its destination is North Bergen, New Jersey, and the reverse train would be Q031. Obviously, the destination and origin are reversed, North Jersey to Florida. And that's how CSX does it, and it makes it pretty easy to figure them out and find them on the symbol chart. And there's symbol charts for all the railroads out there. Wikipedia has them. I will put CSX and NS in the comments below, but you can click on that and find one near you. And or UP, CN, CP, you can find them. And it really helps making, it kind of gives you an idea of what trains are what trains and where they're coming from and where they're going to. And it kind of makes your route fanning a little bit funner, in my opinion. Be well, be blessed, and see you somewhere on the rails. Peace. Say.